My name is Sean Sasooness. I am a California employment lawyer. Today, I'm reacting to scenes from the show Entourage, which was filmed here in Los Angeles, California, a lot of it in Beverly Hills. Ari Gold and his employee Lloyd, a lot of employment issues in their relationship. I'm gonna react to some of them now.
He's here, Vince is here.
What are you, speedball and fairy dust? Go out there and greet him like a man.
I love Entourage. There are so many things wrong with the way Ari Gold treats Lloyd in this show. In that particular scene, that is clearly discrimination based on gender, implying that he is not being a man, he should be more manly, he's acting like a woman. A lot of things wrong with that. I love Ari Gold. I never want to work for him. Funny ass show though.
The next person to mention Richard Roper will be fired. And Lloyd, you will also be fired if you don't answer the fucking phone!
Ari Gold's office.
I love him so much. Look, there are a lot of things Ari Gold does wrong from an employment aspect standpoint in Entourage, but I don't think he did anything wrong there. Basically telling his employees, do this or else you'll get fired. Telling Lloyd, answer the phone or you will get fired. Answering the phone is part of his job duties. There is nothing illegal about what he was saying. So from an employment standpoint, I don't think he did anything wrong in that particular scene.
Go lose more weight, Lloyd.
What?
Go lose more weight, now!
Is what Ari Gold said illegal under California employment law? Yeah, I think it can be. Gray area. Somebody's weight, an employee's weight, is not a protected class in and of itself. But if a person's weight may be linked to a disability or a health condition, then that qualifies as the protected class under California law, and there can be an employment case there.
I got Dana Gordon's assistant on the phone.
What the fuck are you wearing?
I'm trying out new looks. This one's my Andre 3000. You like?
No, I don't. You look like Michelle Kwan in drag. Why don't you do a triple fucking axle over to the phone and try...
Look, I had no issue with what he said up until he mentioned Michelle Kwan in drag. Then you're tying his appearance and what he was wearing to gender, and that becomes gender discrimination. But until then, telling him, what are you wearing? Why are you wearing that? It's horrendous. You know, yeah, it's hostile. It's a hostile work environment. Maybe tough to work there, but nothing particularly illegal about saying, I don't like what you're wearing here at work.
Did you get the Billy Walsh script?
Shut the fuck up, Lloyd!
Is that illegal? I mean, telling an employee to basically be quiet with a curse word, no real protected class there under the law. Again, tough work environment, hostile, but nothing really illegal about telling your employee to shut up.
I'm gonna skull fuck you, Davies!
You just did, Ari.
What did he want?
Fuck you, Yoko. Get E on the phone.
Yoko Ono, John Lennon's wife who was Asian, and saying that to Lloyd, that is clearly discrimination based on ethnicity. The fact that she's Asian, definitely very illegal. You can't discriminate, differentiate people like that, and call them out like that. I would say that's illegal in the workforce. I love this show, Entourage. I love Ari Gold's character. I think he's one of the greatest characters ever. But look, as it relates to employment issues, there are so many things that he did wrong from an employment standpoint toward his employees, particularly Lloyd. We went through some of them here today. Some things borderline, not really illegal or cause of action for an employment case, but a lot of them were. I would love to represent Lloyd against Ari Gold. I think he could get so much money for damages for so many employment violations. If you enjoyed this type of content and found it valuable, please like, subscribe, and we'll put out more videos like this. See you next time.